Flying over water with your drone is a risk. Close over rivers and waterfalls is a big risk. And through a small pothole over a waterfall is a very big risk. I have a big fascination for rivers and waterfalls. I like to come to this place to fly my drones because it is very beautiful mountain landscape and it is very exciting to fly here. July has been unusually hot this year and I'm actually sitting in the river flying my drones. Even with goggles, flying my Avata 2. The current where I'm sitting is stronger than it looks and I have to put one leg in a crack to stay in place. The water is not very cold like it normally is in a mountain river, but it's not warm, only a few centimeters. I like these small mountain places and the mountains in this area is very nice. Usually the water level in the rivers in this part of Norway is biggest in June when the snow is melting from the high mountains. This year the spring got very early and the rivers are quite small. But it's more than enough for me to have fun flying over, and I like to fly close and just look at the view from this place. You get a bit dizzy when you're standing up here. I found this pothole after I have flown up and down this waterfall several times. And the first time I flew through it, I was really nervous because I didn't know the size, because it's very difficult to see. I think you can only see it with the drone. And if you crash into the sides, you never know. If it falls down, it falls directly into the waterfall. It's actually more difficult to fly down than to fly up. I am not only making videos about rivers, I make videos about places that I think are beautiful and interesting. So if you follow my channel, you can see other places I think are special to me.